Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Optimizely Experimentation, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Optimizely Experimentation. Press enter to navigate to the Optimizely homepage. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Input your password in the password field. Double-check that both the email and password are correct. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the recovery process. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. Once your credentials are entered, click the Login button. Wait a moment for the system to authenticate your information. If your login is successful, you will be taken to the Optimizely dashboard. Here, you can access your experimentation projects and tools. If you encounter any issues, check that your internet connection is stable. You may also want to clear your browser cache and cookies. Alternatively, ensure that your browser is up to date. For more assistance, you can consult the Optimizely Help Center. Now you are ready to start using Optimizely Experimentation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.